Hi everyone, this is Megan Klein with Wishes Family Travel. I'm coming to you from the Independence of the Seas. I'm in Stateroom 9602. This is a Royal Caribbean International ship. I'm in an ocean view balcony room. If you open the door here, you can see we have our bathroom area, a stand-up shower. On the right, you'll have your closet with storage. Drawers here, and then you have your mini fridge down here. You can bring some waters back to your room, keep them cold. Your TV is here in a nice little area to get ready. And then on our left, you have your pull-out sleeper. And then we have a curtain that divides. Here is the bed. You can see the room, and then we're gonna open up to our balcony. We are still here in Port Canaveral, waiting to embark on our cruise. You can see all the other ships in port. This is deck 9. We're midship in 9602. Meg Klein at Wishes Family Travel. I'd love to help you plan your next vacation.